So in this lesson, we're going to look at intersecting lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. Here's what we have. Parallel, right here, means that the lines never touch. Parallel. Perpendicular, here, is special. That means they cross at 90 degrees, at a right angle. Intersecting is everything. Two lines are intersecting. Intersecting just means that they cross. So those cross. So perpendicular lines are intersecting, but they're special because they're at a 90. Parallel lines never cross. So if we look here, number 1, these lines would be parallel because they don't cross. Number 2, these lines are crossing, but not at 90. So we would call these lines intersecting. They intersect. Number 3, these ones cross, but at 90, so they're special. So these ones are called perpendicular. Can't get my pen to write. So these are perpendicular. These two lines, if you look at them, eventually, if you keep going, eventually these will cross. So these lines are intersecting. Okay, look at another one here. Here's some other examples. These lines are intersecting. These lines are parallel, parallel, perpendicular because they make a 90, intersecting, perpendicular, intersecting, parallel, perpendicular. So when we look at what we're going to work on today, there's a couple things here. I find where I'm going. Right here, it says, are these lines parallel? Are they parallel? No, those are not parallel. Are these lines intersecting? No, they are not. Are these lines perpendicular? Well, this looks pretty close to me, like 90 degrees, so yes. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they cross, so they are intersecting. Are these lines perpendicular? No, those are parallel, so no. Are these lines parallel? Parallel means they never cross, so no. Are these lines parallel? Yes, those are parallel. How about these lines? Are they parallel? If you draw this one out, they're going to cross, they're going to intersect, so no, they're not parallel. Are these lines intersecting? Do these two lines cross? Yes. Are these lines intersecting? Are these lines ever going to cross? No. Are these lines intersecting? Yes, they are. Are these lines parallel? No. Are these lines intersecting? Yes. Okay, now this one's a little bit different. It says, which is shown? So if you notice, this little symbol here, this little symbol means parallel, and this word is intersecting. So are these two parallel or are they intersecting? Well, looking at it, these two are parallel. Okay, again, this symbol right here means parallel. So which one is parallel? This one. These two lines are parallel. So this word is not parallel. The symbol means parallel. Okay, are these parallel? No, they're intersects. So this one. How about these two? Are they intersecting or are they parallel? Parallel? Oh, here's a new symbol. This symbol right here means perpendicular. So this symbol right here means perpendicular. So this one is not perpendicular, but this one is. So perpendicular. Which one shows intersect here? Is this intersect or perpendicular? So I think this angle is too small to be 90, so I'm going to say just intersect. These two are parallel. So which symbol means parallel? The symbol is parallel. These two lines are perpendicular, not parallel. So perpendicular. What about these two lines? Ooh, are they perpendicular? No. Parallel? No. Just intersecting. Okay, the symbol is parallel. Which picture is parallel? This one. Here we have perpendicular or intersecting. Again, this angle does not look like 90, so I'm going to say intersect. Now, is this parallel or perpendicular? Perpendicular. They're not parallel. How about here? Is this parallel or intersecting? Intersecting. All right, so that's what you're going to do today for that lesson.